Meaning of GED.
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 GED. GED stands for General Educational Development. It refers to a test that measures the high school level academic skills of individuals who did not complete a formal high school education. The GED tests cover subjects such as math, science, social studies, and language arts. Achieving a passing score on the GED test can provide individuals with a certificate that is recognized as equivalent to a high school diploma by employers and academic institutions. This certification can open doors to better job opportunities, higher education, and personal fulfillment.